Silver has seen a very good recovery from our favorite support levels at 2240, achieving the double bottom levels. We have seen a good recovery and a rise, and today again the candle is staying in green here. It suggests that it is going to stay in green, and we can see probably a rise here. Yes, this time again we have seen silver is staying below the lows, is respecting the channels on the downside and the support at 2240. So what does this mean? Can we expect a further recovery today? Can we expect it to break past 23, or is it going to stay bearish? It is going to break past 2240 levels again. Which position you should take trading silver today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Let's start. Now look at the hourly chart. See, first of all, it was trading in this box here. 2260 was a greater resistance. It has given a breakout and has come to the next resistance zone here at 2290. You can find out why these levels are important. Multiple candles getting resistance from the same zone. Hence, above 2290, we can initiate a buying entry. But remember, there are greater resistance. As long as 2320 levels are respected, we should not be treating silver as bullish. Yes, it has given a breakout here, and it is going to continue, or it may continue from these levels on the upside. On the downside, 2260 is the greatest support here. 2260, 50, 40, these are three levels which silver need to be breached, pass by, in order to confirm the bearishness here on the hourly charts. Let's have a further detailed look. So now moving averages have started to converge, showing signs of bullishness. Stochastic near to overbought, while MACD is trading with divergence. MACD is trading with bullishness. MACD is trying to recover here. RSI is also looking upwards, trying to show the strength. Coming to 2-hour chart. Likewise on the 2-hour charts, after consolidating for a while, first breakout candle, I will wait for it to stay above 2290. When I say 2290, this price has to be above 2290. Then you can expect 2310, 2320 levels as the maximum resistance zone, and beyond 2320 is where the reversal might be expected. Now see what is happening here. You can just note that, see, this is the channel in which it is trying to trade, and the top of the channel is right now here at around 2310, 2320 zone. Thus these levels are achievable, and we should be watchful of these. Stochastic has retraced here. MACD showing a V-shaped recovery here, trading with divergence. It has seen the extreme highs. It can continue further on the upside from here, but see sharp divergence is seen, and after the sharp drop here, so this suggests that possibly it may try to show weak V-shaped recovery. However, the more the divergence, the more the chances for it to converge and show a bearish candle. RSI has retraced. It has come out of the oversold levels, coming to 3. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, after consolidating here for a while, it has retraced here. At least it should try to achieve 50 and 100 period moving average for once. Even if it has to stay bearish, it can try to achieve those levels here. Yes, the top here at 2310, 2320 is going to be a great resistance. And on the downside, 2260 definitely is going to be a great support for the day. Any drop below 2260, you can initiate a sell entry. But again, as I said, 2250, 2240, 2235, very strong support. As long as this channel line on the downside is respected, we should not be treating silver as bearish. Stochastic back to overbought. MACD has crossed over here, trading with divergence, traded with divergence and bullishness. And if you note this, see, this is completely first wave, and the second wave is initiating here from higher lows. So possibility for silver to stay bullish exists, but then it has to break past the resistances around 2320 levels for it to confirm the rise. RSI rising, looking upwards. It has come out of the oversold levels, coming to 4-hour. Now look at 4-hour chart. See, symmetrical formation here. After forming the symmetry, it has come down to these levels here. Complete symmetry is done. Hence here it can consolidate before it marches towards the next target at around 2310, 2320. Now yes, at 2290 itself you can initiate a buying entry here and expect it to rise. But remember, even if you are buying at 2290, the rise is going to be difficult beyond 2320 levels for the day. Stochastic overbought. MACD just crossing over, 2 candles it has seen. It can show you further bullishness from here. Chances exist. Higher lows, and it is rising, so it can continue. RSI has come out of the oversold levels. Coming to the daily, and before I give you the further levels and trading levels for the day, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 26th batch is going to start on 9th of October. Limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. Yes, and friends, before leaving the video, do like, share, subscribe and comment. Your every like, share, comment is a great support, motivation, inspiration for me to deliver on time every time to the best of my abilities. Now look at the daily charts here. See, double bottom, then this rise. This is suggestive of a retracement or a reversal. What we can expect here is, see what has happened in silver so far. If you note, yes, it is giving you higher lows, yes, it is giving you lower highs. So this is the consolidation zone in which silver is trading. Now whenever it is seen the bottom here, it has tried to rise. Now again it is forming double bottom, and if it continues with the rise here, possibility of $24 levels plus exist here, and hence we may see the bullishness in silver in the coming days. Now if you look at the formation today, see double bottom levels are seen. It is trying to trade with the rise. We may see it hitting 23-10 levels. Possibility exists for this. However, see already it has seen a rise, and hence the stretch of the rise is going to be limited. Possibly the preceding candles here 2320 levels are achievable and are going to be a great resistance. At the same time, it can also limit its movement within the previous candle here. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is trading with bearishness. It can possibly converge crossover if it stays in the bullish channel. RSI is rising. Also, let's have a look at the weekly. Now see on the weekly charts, higher lows here, and the bearishness getting diminished with the every candle. Yes, it appears that it is showing a squeeze, and it may not willing to break past $22 levels. Stochastic comfortable. The MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI is looking downwards, trying to stay. So looking at this today, I will recommend you to sell at 2260 with a caution note that as long as 2240 is respected, chances of recovery will be very strong. Once it trades below 2240 and 2235 levels, more bearishness is going to prevail. We can look forward to $22 levels. At the same time, a rise about 2290 levels, but then with a caution note that 2305, 2310 levels and 2320 levels are going to be the maximum resistance levels for silver here on the upside. Hence trade with caution, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. And yes, do like, share, subscribe and comment, and join my free Telegram channel to get the live market updates. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. See you again with the weekly review tomorrow. Do watch that as well. Thank you.